we can see a very nice use of custom typography on a few of the pages that are part of Image Therapist sites. The first I'm going to show you right here is about Liana, who is the founder of this company. So you can see she really wanted her site to have a very clean, slick, sophisticated look, but we did want to give it a little pop of color. Red is the company's signature color, and we also wanted to make the kind of connection with the viewer that when you saw text in red, what you were reading was a quote from her. So you'll see right here, we've got this nice little box indent in red with some nice styling. And then we also have this block quote down below. Now, if you see something on your site and you don't know how to do it, one of the best ways to figure something new out is to go to that page, enter the edit mode, and take a look at what is in here. So you can see when I do that, I'm like, all right, well, I see that there's a little more tag, which means that this information is being pulled to another page somewhere. And then I'm going to see, oh, look, there's some short code right there. And all the way up to that bracket, that is code. And anytime you see brackets and code at the beginning of an entry, you're always going to see a companion one at the end. So if I wanted to create something like this, the best way to do it is I could copy and paste this whole page, or I could just come in here and copy and paste this code into my existing site. The other convention being used here is another type of pull quote. So you'll see there again, brackets, brackets, brackets. It's saying, okay, it's pull quote style 1, quotes equals true, which means yes, I'm creating a pull quote. I'm aligning this on the page in a center orientation. The text color is this code number here. And then I'm citing, and that's that little, citation, a favorite Liana-ism, that information right there. And then right here is actually the text that's within it. So let's go ahead and take a peek at that real quick so that you have a good idea of what it is I'm referring to. So on this page, we're really using two styles of pull quotes. So the first is right here, and you can see that code is saying use a larger font, create a border, use the citation, do red font, and indent information around it. That allows me to have this scrolling text that we're used to when we read magazines and newspapers. And then the next is saying, okay, create a little box and drop that inside. And so you'll see it's a little bit different. They're both displaying the voice of the company, Liana Shawooli. And like I showed you, these are hyperlinks, and you'll see, although it's blue when I look at it in the admin panel, when I'm an actual viewer, it does this nice rollover with the company color red. Well, I hope this video has shown you that figuring out how to recreate some of the visual elements on your existing site is no more difficult than going to what you like, entering the edit, and copy and pasting, replacing what you don't want to use, such as the text, and utilizing that code as a hint tool to help you create additional information and maintain your overall branding and styling on your website.